to come on and show you a few of the gorgeous Christmas cards I've received this year already. They're just I've just had some absolute corkers, and I thought I've got to share them. I've got to show them. So I thought it'd be nice to make a little video showing you some of them. So this one's from Julie, from the Joyous Sets, and there's a Christmas sort of random act of kindness going on at the minute. I mean, look how gorgeous is that. I love how she's done the legs of the reindeer as well. They're the gingerbread man legs, I think. And the snow, and it's just absolutely stunning. I love it. Believe in the magic of Christmas. And then inside there's this pop-up reindeer. One of them's got a little hat on. I just love it. Absolutely gorgeous. So wish you a Merry Christmas, and so do I. Andrea, best wish from Julie. It's gorgeous. Look at this one. Absolutely beautiful. It's an embossing folder there. It's like a trellis embossing folder. And then the letters cut out in gold glimmer paper. This beautiful foliage dies from Stampin' Up, and the acorns, or the pine cones. Little bow. May the warmth of Christmas fill each corner of your heart and home. And I hope you have a great Christmas, a fab new year. Lots of love, Anne, and thanks for your support. It's such a shame that Anne's resigned. This one, look how beautiful this is. I bought this last year, this embossing folder, and I've still not used it, so I'm determined to get it out before Christmas is over. But I love the way it's sort of built up. It's got this wooden reindeer on the top, or stag, and then this gorgeous silver swirl, and then the embossed snowflake. I just love that. And then the randomly placed metallic pearls. Absolutely gorgeous. And this is from a lady called Chris, who's also in the Joyous Sets rap group. This came with one of my Secret Santa gifts. It's absolutely gorgeous. I just think it's so cute. A few people have shared it in the Joyous Sets Christmas card group, because even though technically it wasn't anything to do with them, it's still a lovely card and I want to share it. Silver foiled. Love the embossing folder that's been used in the back, and the ink. The ink in that gives away who this is from, really. Because she's just brilliant with inks and shimmer sprays and stuff. And these mirror card jars, and then so cute. What a great idea. So of course I don't know who that's from. Technically I do, really. This is from another Secret Santa, and I just thought this is absolutely gorgeous. Look at that. It's beautiful. Those little elements that have been added to make a bauble effect, and that really, really pale, barely there sentiment. It's absolutely gorgeous. This one was from Fiona herself. Absolutely love who runs the Joyous Sets, owns the Joyous Sets. Absolutely gorgeous card. Look at that. It's all shimmery. Snowmen have got shimmer all over them. Dots. It looks like glitter or Winkstella all over them. It's absolutely beautiful. And then this one, absolutely love. It's just so simplistic, and I love the sentiment. The gift of your friendship means so much, especially at Christmas. This is from Jane, who also is in Joyous Sets rack group. So they're just a few cards. I just thought I'd share them because I just thought they're absolutely beautiful and they deserve sharing. So this all fell out of the parcel that I got earlier, so just ignore all this. Well, I thought I'd leave it there because it looks pretty. Okay, so thanks for joining me, and I might share some more Christmas cards. They were ones that I just had to hand, and I just thought, oh, I really want to share them before I do anything else with them. So I'm going to put them up on my wall in my office. Okay, so take care. See you soon. Bye-bye.